Right, here we go. This is what you get anyway, which is black minerals, eh? See that? Very good for them. This is the, you know, I buy this all the time when I go to Creamilla Pet Supplies in Edinburgh. All these different seeds. Red band, groats, red band, mere groats, hemp, and again, what's that, rapeseed. This is what they get, you know, so based on all that, this is what I give them in the morning. It's their breakfast basically, yeah. The hens get it, they don't get it. They don't get it. There you go. Come on. As I'm using my hands when I come home the camera. Yeah. Very good for them, this mixture of seeds. Let's see what we here. What's the hemp gone in? Bust it over. I give this to my pigeons all the time, right through the year. It's good for them, especially right now when they're molting. They've got all the oils and all the vitamins and all the minerals that they need. All the essentials that they get off of these seeds. You and me should be taking a spoon for them every morning. What about that? That's true though. Anyway, there we go, see. One more bag of red band. Great stuff that. It's good for a conditioner. It's good for a trapping seed. Red band. They love it. This is fully aniseed. There you go. There you go. So let's see now. Which one is that? Let's see. This is very good for them. Very good for them. It's just a very light 2 or 3 handfuls of Creamilla light speed. That's what the beans, that's what the peas are and the maize is. But there you go. And that's what they get. And they'll be given this, black minerals. And their trost, because I usually give them that. I'll be getting this too. There it's there. Below my grip. So somebody's in. Oh, one of these pigeons, I was in here cleaning it out and one of these pigeons come running in. I think it was him on the hopper. Come flying down and running in straight in his box. I'm like, what's off? It was a hawk or something. So that's what's going on there. Hey, I'll use one of these because it's empty. There we go. You know what? They've already been fed these dudes. I left the grub in the hopper yesterday. Forgot to move it. Let me see this. Hey, there you go, see? There you go. I've not fed them today. This was in yesterday. And I'm just giving them the seed on top of it. It's no matter. Them I do is fly for fun. They've already been in. When I came to clean them all out, opened up the traps again, and all the way out again. But anyway, there you go, so. So how about that? There's one on the roof. I don't know where the rest of them are. Stop pigeons. Come on, sweetheart. There. We check her on the roof. Oh, somebody's training. Where are they? They're away, they're away along that way. Well, what's going on? Yeah. What's going on? Come on. Break that down. Just try and break these. Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go, it's Paloma. That's Paloma grit. Good for them, I love gaining it. I really do, I love gaining it. I love this stuff. Come on then, boys. There we go, see. There we go, come on then. There we go. That's what's in it. It's like wee pelletsy stuff. Ones they grit. Powdery stuff, but it's good gear, I love gaining them. Come on, son, in you come on. Come on, in you come on. Come on. Come on, in you come on. See if it comes in. Come on in you come on. Wait, she's the camera. Come on, in you come on. Come on, in you come on. Come on. No, it's still there. A cracking wee pigeon that. No, it's still man. There he is. Yes, yeah. See if I'm getting that. Come on in, come on. There we go, see. There you go. I like to give them all that stuff, you know, it's very healthy for them. It's the best stuff for them, especially when they're going through the mold, because the mold's a bit stressful for them, Ken. So I have to give them all these seeds, all these different oils, So, but they're looking alright, they're flying brilliant, they really are, they're away. They're still not doing. So anyway. So, I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Cheery cheery.